Let's get into the media and structure field. Section header. This field is used to divide your form into sections and add a heading to your form sections. You can check the divider option to add a faint line to a section. If you would prefer not to title your section, you can leave the text field empty and just check the divider option. Description. The description field is a Markdown-supported text editor that enables you to include formatted text, links, images, lists, and so on your form. Add row. This field lets you add 2 or 3 fields in a side-by-side layout, giving you a more compact form. It is not suitable if the form has a side-by-side layout. Add image. This field lets you easily add an image to your form. Images can be uploaded to your form from your local storage or using a publicly accessible image link. The position of your image can be adjusted to right, left, or center by selecting an option from the placement field. The default position is the center. Embed video. The embed video field can be used to include a video in your form. Currently, only videos hosted on YouTube and Vimeo can be added. Simply copy and paste the video link into the URL field. You can also change the width and height of your video using the width and height field. Features at the bottom of the builder menu. Timer. This feature is best used when creating quizzes and time surveys as well as for events. Add calculation. Add calculation allows you to perform simple mathematical operations on your forms such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and is especially useful in order forms to display the total price of items selected, surveys, and quizzes. Logic. Logic functions by keeping away questions not relevant to a form respondent by displaying optional questions based on set rules. Basically, it allows you to show or hide fields based on an answer input or a selected option by your form respondent.